Want to sum numbers in seconds? Don't waste time selecting and clicking. Just place your cursor below a column or next to a row of numbers and press Alt plus equals key. Excel will automatically pick up the range and apply the sum function. Hit Enter and boom, your total appears instantly. Try this shortcut now and make your Excel work faster than ever. Struggling to find data in long lists? Stop scrolling and start filtering in one click. Select your data, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus L, and just like that, Excel applies filters to every column. Now, click the drop-down, choose your criteria, and see only what you need. This one trick can save you hours of manual work. Dealing with messy data? Split first names, last names, or values with ease. Select your column, go to Data, Text to Columns. Choose Delimited, pick a separator like a comma, space, or tab, and click Finish. Just like that, Excel cleans your data in seconds. Say goodbye to manual copy-pasting. Want to spot duplicate entries instantly? Select your data, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight Duplicate Values, and choose a color. Excel will highlight all duplicates instantly. This trick is super useful for removing errors and cleaning lists like names, IDs, or emails. Try it now and save time. Messy Excel sheets slowing you down? Remove all blank rows instantly. Select your data, press Ctrl plus G, click Special, choose blanks, and hit Ctrl plus hyphen, minus key, then delete entire row. Boom! Your sheet is clean in seconds. No more manual deleting row by row. Try this trick and keep your data neat.